so much. Yo, this is some 400 IQ shit here. Ha.
Sick of this shit, bro.
Så nu ska surprisen här.
Ah!
Så surprise. What the fuck? Hello there, flying ghost. Okay.
Ha! Oh, my snudd self proved my doctor. One hit person.
Oof.
Var det der?
The killer is close. Nearby. Oh shit! Did you guys see that? Someone.
The fuck? Whoa, dude. One man. Oh, wow. Jeg hopper en gang, så tror jeg meg da. One man.
Timing of that is top. Oh. 100 burp challenge. I'll send 10 euro towards bets. Are you serious? Are you like actually serious? I can't believe I'm doing this, bro. 100 burp challenge. This is so lit.
5 minutes later.
This is fucking amazing. I know, bro. Why am I doing this? Like, honestly, why am I doing this? Why is my life? Oh, that was the real one. Oh, yeah, my whole house can hear them. Oh my. Let's do 2,000 for good measures. Let's go.